hi there. Hi. I just want to let you guys know, whoever is interested in coming down to do this with Heva, it's been a great experience from getting off the plane to the hotel. Everything has been top notch. Everything they said they were going to do is what they did. Everything's been on schedule, on time, very professional. I got no words. I'm going to be letting all my friends know to come down here to get anybody that needs anything done. I'm actually coming back to get my teeth done within the next few months. So everything here has been a pleasant experience. Have really nothing to complain about. As long as you follow all the instructions they've given you. I think this is the second day after my surgery, and everything has gone great. So far, nothing to worry about. Okay? Take care. Bye-bye.